Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my slime. So here I am using PVA glue and the borax activator, and this is the borax powder. So we're gonna start off by pouring the glue into the container, and I used all of my glue. Okay, once you're done with the glue, we're gonna get our mixing spoon and get the borax activator ready, and we're gonna pour a tiny bit in and mix it in really nicely. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of green food coloring in. And we're also going to mix in, and this food coloring is also scented, which makes it really nice. So when you see that the food coloring is not sticking to the spoon anymore, you can go ahead and fill it, and this slime is so nice and I really love it. So this is the finished product, and this is so jiggly and glossy, and it's not glossy yet, but wait for it guys, it's going to be really glossy. So guys, another reason why I love this slime is it's because you can do green screen on it. So this is green screen, and as you see there's the watermark there, but anyways, this is green screen, and it basically just turns anything that's green into like a picture that you choose. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like it. And thank you for watching. Bye!